Pwalpar here. Today we're looking at my GoPro Hero 7 Black action camera. Now I've made lots and lots of videos with this camera. You would think it might be wore out, but I paid good money for this camera and it still works fine. Well, it has a few problems. The on and off button that you push on the side here, I've used it so much I've rubbed the rubber right off of it. But if you dig in with your fingernail, you can still click it on and off. I thought about putting some silicone or something on there, but I never did to repair it. Well, the latest problem is the little USB side door right there. It has broke. When you flip it open, see, normally it just hinges up. But mine has broke off. The little hinge, a lot of times when you flip it open it just falls off. I'm sure they would be, a lot of people lose their USB side door for that very reason. But the little clip that snaps on that little bar right there broke. Well, I can slide it back up there and lock it and get it to stay on there. It's just a matter of time till I'll lose it. So I decided to order a new USB side door. I paid $15 plus shipping for it, which might sound like a lot for a piece of plastic, but you gotta realize I paid quite a bit for this camera. I don't remember, $400 or $500. It wasn't cheap. So I ordered a new USB door. Here's the container it came in. It says G pulley. Here's the model number. We're going to see if the new one will snap right on there. Here's the new door. There's the old door on the right. They look the same in the camera. Let's see, will it fit? Okay, on the new one, I did have to push the little button. On the new one, to get it to unlock, I had to push the little button and use my fingernail to pry up on the little tab. And I've got it unlocked now. I'm going to pick up the camera. Snaps on a little tighter than the old one, but it went on there. The new one snapped right on there. The new one definitely fits tighter. But it snaps on there. Obviously the little rubber seal is much tighter, but it works. I had to try quite a bit to unlock it, to pull down harder, I mean. But that's my replacement for my USB side door on my GoPro Hero 7 Black. Not much of a how-to video, but that's what we're sharing with my viewers today. Y'all take care. It's Pwalpar saying we'll catch you on the next one.